Today you're going to be doing a quick check on your own for the chapter that we just went over in math. So you're going to need a regular sheet of paper. It doesn't matter what kind. You're going to put your name at the top, but it's very important that you put this title for me. You're going to write Chapter 5. So this is an abbreviation. It's a short way of saying Chapter 5, quick check. And then you're gonna write numbers 1 through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going down like this. Because you're at home, I can't give you a copy of the quick check. So you're gonna look at the test or the quick check here, and then you're gonna write your answers on this paper, okay? This is not a test. It's just for me to know what you can do by yourself. But it's also very important that you don't get help from your parents, okay? I want you to do this on your own. I want to see what you can do on your own. If you get it wrong, that's okay. Then that tells Ms. Cortez that I need to work with you a little bit more on this, okay? But try not to get any help. I want you to do it on your own. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through number 1. Number 1 says, count by tens, what is the number? So 5 tens, there are 5 groups of 10. What's the number? So you see how there's A, B, or C? On your answer sheet, you're gonna pick one of these letters. Don't write the number. You're gonna pick the letter that has the correct number, and you're gonna write the letter here for me. So for example, if your answer is 20, you're gonna write the letter A next to number 1. Because this is problem number 1. If your answer is B, you think this is 40, you're gonna put a B. If you think there's 50, you're gonna write C next to number 1, okay? So count by tens, what is the number? Okay, if you need more time on that one, you can rewind or you can pause. Number 2 says, count how many tens and ones. So, are there 1 10 and 6 ones? Are there 7 tens and 1 1? Or 1 group of 10 and 7 ones? So is there 1 group of 10 and 6 ones? 7 groups of 10 and 1 1, 1 group of 10 and 7 ones. So pick your answer, F, G, or H. And that's what you're gonna write for number 2. So your answer for number 2 is either gonna be F, G, or H. You pick the correct answer. How many tens and ones? 1 10 and 6 ones, 7 tens and 1 1, or 1 10 and 7 ones? Okay, number 3 says, what is the number? So we have it in cubes and place value. There are 1, 2, 3 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So what is the number? 25, 35, or 53? So for number 3, you're either gonna put A, B, or C. Okay, number 4 says, which number is 10 less? Remember, less means take away. So what is 10 less than 100? We could look at that like 100 minus 10. What's that number? What number is 10 less? 80, 85, or 90? So for number 4, your answer is either going to be F, G, or H. Okay, we're almost done. You have 3 more problems. Number 5 says, write how many tens and how many more, then write the number. So how many groups of 10? We're looking at these 2 pictures. How many groups of 10 do you see? And how many more? And all together, what is the number? Your options are A, B, or C. Is there 1 group of 10 and 7 more, and that makes 17? Do you see 7 groups of 10 and 1 more, and all together there's 71? Or do you see 1 group of 10 and 7 more, and that makes 71? Which is your answer, A, B, or C? So for number 6 or number 5, you're either gonna put A, B, or C. Okay, number 6 says compare. Choose greater than, less than, or equal to. So your numbers are 35 and 46. Which number is greater? 35 or 46? And remember, the alligator eats the bigger number. So whichever number is greater, that's the way the alligator's mouth is gonna face. So is your answer F? Is the alligator eating this way? G? Is the alligator eating this way? Or H? Are they the same? Are these the same number? Are they equal to each other? So for number 6, your answer is either going to be F, G, or H. And finally, your last question says, what is the missing number? We have 115, 116. What's missing? 118, 119. Is it 117, 127, or 128? So your answer for number 7 is either going to be A, B, or C. Okay, and that's it. That's all you're gonna do for math today. I need you to take a picture of this and send it to me so that I can check your answers for this one. Okay?